Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will be guiding you through how to use a trauma-focused cognitive behavioral therapy workbook. What is a trauma-focused cognitive behavioral therapy workbook? Trauma-focused cognitive behavioral therapy, or TF-CBT for short, is a well-recognized therapeutic approach. A TF-CBT workbook emerges as an instrumental resource within this realm, designed meticulously to aid individuals, children, teens, or adults as they navigate through the complex emotions stemming from traumatic events. At its core, the workbook relies on evidence-based practices. These ensure that the individuals have a structured pathway, complete with specific activities and exercises, to understand and manage the tumultuous feelings that trauma often induces. For instance, while a workbook for adults might delve into in-depth cognitive exercises, one designed for children uses engaging activities and relatable narratives to convey the same therapeutic principles. To use our TF-CBT workbook, follow these steps. Download our TF-CBT workbook from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Firstly, it's pivotal to identify the specific traumatic incident you want to address. Typical sections encompass psychoeducation, coping mechanisms, and the trauma narrative, which delves into the detailed account of the traumatic event. For optimal results, it's advisable to navigate through the workbook sequentially. This ensures a comprehensive understanding as one transitions from foundational concepts to more intricate exercises. The workbook thrives on interactivity. As you progress, you'll encounter diverse activities tailored to the content. This could include journaling exercises, artistic expressions like drawing, or immersive guided imagery sessions. After each activity, allocate time for introspection. Ponder the emotions evoked and the thoughts that bubbled up. Some workbook versions can be seamlessly integrated with other therapeutic instruments for those seeking a multifaceted approach. Here is a sample of our TF-CBT workbook, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our TF-CBT workbook, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.